Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another food review. This time I've been to Iceland's, and this time you've seen bird's eye fish fingers, well now we've got bird's eye French fries. Let's see what it's all about. Right, so these are from Iceland's. These are £2.80. So these are bird's eye French fries, and they are new. Air fry in 10 minutes. And 850 grams. There is your traffic light system there. Let me turn on to the back. Right, so at Bird's Eye we are passionate about making meal times easy and fun for the whole family. Our French fries are perfectly crispy and a family favourite for all to enjoy. Why not try them with our crispy chicken dippers and garden peas for a quick and delicious meal? So there's some more information there, and there's some more there. Approximately servings of 6, and there is your ingredients, as you can see on there. And cooking, so air fry 10 minutes 200°, or you can do them in the oven at 200°, fan 200°, gas mark 7, 16 to 18 minutes. And there is some more information there. Right, so let's take a look at them. Alright, so that's them in the air fryer, and I'll see you in 10 minutes time. Right, so I've just got them out the air fryer now. All I've done is just put some salt on them and a bit of tomato sauce on the side. Right, so let's do taste test. Right, so taste test time. So these are your bird's eye fish fingers, £2.80, 89, something like that. Bird's eye French fries, sorry. I'm too used to saying fish fingers. So try them with no sauce at all first. Yeah, I can't really taste much of a difference between normal fries and these. Comment down below, have you had these before? Did you even know they was out? So we'll try it with sauce. Yeah, to me they seem a bit more crunchier. Maybe there'd be a bit difference if you done them in the oven. Yeah, I can't really see much of a difference. So if I was giving that a score out of 10, I'll give that a 7. Yeah, they're not too bad, but I can't tell the difference between other French fries. So if you like that video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and consider subscribing to the channel. It all helps. And there'll be some more food reviews and taste tests on the way. Thanks for watching.